how to log into your GOG account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get through any sort of browser, and then from there you can simply search for GOG. Then you'll be able to see this link, welcome to GOG.com. Simply click on that one, and then from there, in order to sign into your account, what you're going to do is simply click on the option sign in right here. If you hover your mouse, you'll be able to see sign in option. Click on sign in, and after doing that, here all you need to do is add in all of the credentials of your account, right? So like I said, add in the email address and the password of your GOG account, and then simply click on login now in order to log into your account. So if you have associated your account using any of those platforms like your Google account, your Steam account, your Discord, or your Xbox account, then you can simply click on them and go along with the process of how you'll be able to add in their own credentials in order to log into your GOG account, right? So in here, in case if unfortunately you have forgotten your password, then you can also click on the option password reset right here, and then from there you can add in your email address. Then you can simply select I'm not a robot and simply verify this captcha, and after doing that you can simply click on the option get new password, and then you will actually be getting a link on your email address. So simply open that link and go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your account. Then you can come back to your sign-in page. After recovering your account, you can add in your new password, then click on login, and just like that you'll be able to log into your account. So that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.